Hey, what's up, everybody, and happy holidays. Yes, that is like a wallpaper behind me because today we're talking about my top 10 gift ideas for the biker in your life. That's right, my top 10 ideas for the biker in your life. So, without any further ado, let's go over my top 10 things that I would like to share with you for, you know, for your biker in your life. I mean, really, let's start with not too expensive. Let's start with some detail stuff. That's right, ranging from 695 all the way up to 24.95. This my suggestion is Clockworks from their Shine Works. It's a great product. It works well. I use it with other products, but I find that this stuff works very, very good. And I really appreciate that Clockworks puts this product out. I suggest for the 24.95, you get the Clockworks car and motorcycle cleaning kit. This way, it covers your car, it covers your bike, and you're all set. Or you could choose the Shine Works different size bottles. You could get the 16-ounce spray, the 4-ounce spray bottle, case of 12 4-ounce spray bottles. They used to have the gallon jug, but it's not listed here now. So that's what I recommend as gift idea number one. What do you guys think about that as a gift idea? And I will link all the links to the video in the description. Next, we're going to head over to my friends over at Advanblack. That's right, my friends at Advanblack. And we'll be going back and forth in there because these are going from low to high. So, from Advanblack, this is what I'd like. And again, this is stuff that I like that I wouldn't mind having myself for the holidays. And these are the little covers that go over the seat mount where you thread your screw in. And these are only $19.99. They come in different colors that you could get them. You get them in orange and black and green. As you can see, the gold, blue, red, and purple. Available through Advanblack, $19.95. And you can't go wrong with it. It's good stuff. It's really good stuff. You can't go wrong with Advanblack. That stuff works out really, really well. All right. And speaking of Advanblack, and we're talking about the seat bolt and everything, they have you covered. If you needed a seat bolt or you wanted to add another style seat bolt, they got you covered. Check these out for $24.95. You could get them, and again, color matches. They have all sorts of collections that go with this. Really, go check out the Advanblack website and see what they have. That's for you. But these are my top 10 picks. So I really like the Advanblack. Now, again, this is stuff for your biker. Hopefully, your biker needs some of the stuff, or if they already do, then you're okay. Because next up is from Airmoto. That's right, Airmoto. You guys see me put this tire inflator on my channel a couple of times. It's a really good unit. I enjoy having it. I use it all the time for, take it with me on the road when I go to rallies or events like Mob in the Mountains. It's a really good time. You don't want to miss out on that. So that's another one of my suggestions is Airmoto. They work great. It's $63.99. It's on Amazon. And like I said, I'm going to be posting up all these links in the description. All right, going up on price a little bit more, just a little bit more. Now, from Kemimoto, something for the all-season rider. That's right, all season. If you're going to ride all season or all year, they got a nice heated jacket. They also have the gloves and the pants and everything. But I suggest the vest, something you could put on underneath your leather jacket to help you stay warm. Ben from Bikes, Beers, and Brews did the the review on this, and I trust him. And if you look, they have, you know, multiple zones. You got one on your back, on your stomach, around your neck, around your collars. So I mean, it's something to help you stay warm while riding. So yeah, I mean, really help you stay warm. And I always talk about doing your service, right? So, you know, of course, I'm going to throw in there an oil change kit. You want to take a look at an oil change kit. I recommend Amsoil. I'm a big fan of Amsoil. I use it all the time here in the shop. This is an engine oil change kit. This covers up to 5 quarts of oil for your M8s. You can even, they have them for your twin cams as well. Comes with an oil filter and an O-ring. So you will be able to change your oil, or your biker loved one can help you, or help, you know, help them change the oil. I'm tripping over my words tonight. I don't believe it. But hey, why not? I'm sorry, guys. I'm tripping over words. Now, this is something I really believe in and I really love. I use them myself. I put them on lots of different bikes. Very, very exciting to share this with you. It's the Advanblack Clutch Saver. That's right. The Advanblack Clutch Saver retails for $109. There is some other costs with this. You're going to need a quart of transmission fluid. You're going to need a side transmission gasket. But this thing is awesome. It reduces the clutch pull by right around 45 to 50% on the lever. Don't quote me on actually how much it does. And the way it works is it brings the balls in closer, and the arm is actually like an eighth of an inch longer, so it gives you better leverage. I've got a video to that on the install and the review of it, and it's something I truly believe in. Let me tell you, it makes such a huge difference. A huge, huge difference. Now, another thing that I like to take on the road with me when I'm traveling, help keep my bike clean, keep the dew off the seat. And if you've been someplace with me, are these covers from Harley Davidson. I have this half cover, the Oasis Day cover. That's what I bring with me when I go on the road. And Harley Davidson has them for all the bikes, whether you have a touring or a sport bike, a Softail or a touring bike, or for the trikes. They have them for the trikes too. So, and they fold up into themselves. They're really nice to have. Depending on what you get, like the one that I have is $118.95. Well worth every penny. It keeps the dew off the seat, and if it rains, it keeps your seat dry and keeps most of your bike dry, which is very important when you're at a rally or you're out overnight at an event like Mob in the Mountains. Very important. Now, speaking of weather and being out there, you know, we all get caught in the rain. We really, really do. And when we do, we need some sort of rain gear. So here it is up on Revzilla, first manufacturing rain suit. I like them. They're awesome. They're in stock. They have them in black, gray and black, orange and black, and the safety yellow and black. Personally, I would either do the gray or black, or just the color black, and I would do an extra large or 2XL, which are out of stock on the 2XL, but that's me. So if that's something you guys are interested in, hey, why not, right? Get your loved ones some rain gear, help them stay dry and also warm. And last but not least, for my top 10, that's right, my top 10, and I highly recommend this. One of the first things I do to any one of my motorcycles, whether it's my Lowrider S with the ST fairing, whether it's a Street Glide that I had or a Road Glide that I have, is change that Klockworks windshield. Change out that windshield. Put yourself on a really nice Klockworks. They have them for the new second gen redesigned front ends for the street glides, the road glides. They have them for the regular first gen street glide and road glides, Rushmore style. They have them for the lowrider ST fairing. They even have them for the BMWs and Indians. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, why don't you go ahead and get your loved one a nice windshield. And again, price may vary depending on size, color, and make and model of the motorcycle. So as you see, you could do the colors, which are like a fluorescent color, or you could just do a tint. And on Spaceball, I have the yellow windshield, and on my Road Glide, it's just a regular 11-inch tint. All right, guys, you tell me, what would you like for Christmas? Did you get everything? Are you planning on getting everything you wanted, or are you just giving you some ideas to ask people, or giving you ideas to get something for yourself? All right, everybody, that's it for this one. Until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. As always, ride often and ride hard.